guys! In this video, we're still on quartiles of group data. But this time, we're going to find for the third quartile. But before that, let's complete first our table. So let's have our lower boundary. So 36 minus 0.5 is 35.5. 31 minus 0.5 is 30.5. 26 minus 0.5 is 25.5. 21 minus 0.5 is 20.5. 16 minus 0.5 is 15.5. And 11 minus 0.5 is 10.5. After that, we are going to have our less than cumulative frequency. So we start at the bottom kasi yung lowest interval natin ay nasa baba. So we have here 5 and then we keep on adding the next frequency. So 5 plus 15 is 20. 20 plus 7 is 27. 27 plus 13 is 40. 40 plus 8 is 48. 48 plus 2 is 50. Okay, now to find for the interval, we just have to subtract the upper limit with the lower limit plus 1. So 15 minus 11 is 4 plus 1, we have 5. Okay, for our n, we just have to get the summation of our frequency. So 2 plus 8 is 10, plus 13 is 23, plus 7 is 30, plus 15 is 45, plus 5 is 50. So check siya kasi the same sila. Now, we can have our formula for our third quartile. But we have to locate first where is our third quartile using this formula. So we have here Kn over 4. Since we are on the third quartile, our K is equal to 3. Let's substitute 3 times our N, which is 50, divided by 4. So 3 times 50 is 150 divided by 4. So 150 divided by 4 is how many? Okay, so we have 37.5. Okay, asan ang 37.5 natin? Wala dito, wala dito, wala dito. So, nandito siya. This is our third quartile. So, lahat ng data na gagamitin natin ay manggagaling sa interval na 26 to 30. Okay? So, we're done with this. Let's go with our lower boundary. Asan ba ang lower boundary natin? We have 25.5. Sorry. We have 25.5. Okay na to. So, let's have now the less than cumulative frequency. Dapat yung bago ha, before. So, we have the less than cumulative frequency before. So, kung ito yung less than cumulative frequency niya, yung bago siya. So, that is 27. So, let's have our interval, which is 5. And our frequency, which is 13. So, okay na to. Okay? Now, let's substitute. Okay? So, what is our lower boundary? We have 25.5 plus our Kn over 4 is 37.5 minus our less than cumulative frequency, which is 27, times our interval, which is 5, divided by our frequency, which is 13. Okay? So, we have 25.5 plus, what is 37.5 minus 27? So, that's around 10.5 times 5 divided by 13. So, we have 25.5 plus, what's 10.5 times 5? That's 52.5 divided by 13. Okay, what is now 52.5 divided by 13 plus 25.5? So, that is round off ha, 29.54. Okay, let's see kung pasok ba to sa interval natin. Yeah. Okay, so we have our third quartile. Now, you try, what is the third quartile of this data? You try to solve ha, and don't forget to follow for more math videos. And remember that sharing is caring. Bye!